Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing good. So today I'm going to show you computed in Vue. So what is computed, how to use computed, and what's the difference that we make using computed? All those things we will be seeing in this video. So let's get started with today's video. So first let's start with what is computed property. So it's more over like a data property except that it depends on another properties. Also it doesn't take any argument and it will be updated automatically when any dependency like change. Let's say if we have an input field and we change anything and let's say any computed properties attached to that input field, then it will be changed automatically. We don't need to call it explicitly. So don't worry if you're not getting this terms here. So we will be seeing this by example that you can have more clarity like what I'm saying right now. So now let's get started by example and how to use computed property. So now first let me show you view that I have created. I have just created four input fields: product 1 with its price, product 2 with its price, that is 100, and we need to calculate total. So total we will be calculating using computed property. So now let me show you code. So in our view component we have example component. So inside this you can see we have one v4, that is product in product list. And if I'll show you product list, then you can see we have two items in that, and those items are displayed using v4 directive, and there you can see input fields. So now total you can see as it's blank. Now we need to calculate total here and display it over here. So now let's write below total price, let's say total price. So this one we are going to use for computed property, whichever we have created this total price. So now let's go in our script and afterwards let's write computed. And inside computed we will be writing function. This will be like a function total price, and inside parenthesis we are going to write our logic to calculate price, total price. So now get product list, and we will be using reduce here because we are just going one accumulator and we need to increase total price. So for that we are using reduce here. So first one pass total price, then second will be product, and initial value of total price we are going to send as 0. So now inside this let's sum total price. So total price plus equals to product dot price. Okay, I need to add this dot product list. Let's return this. So now let's check in browser. Total is not coming, so let me just return. I have done okay. I need to return from inside as well. So now let's check in browser and you can see total 110, it's displayed. So now let's create a button to add more products. So let's create a div and inside that button, so let's give button @click and let's say add button, and this function we'll be creating in our script. So in methods create function add button, and inside that get this dot product list and call push, and the inside this push let's add same object id name price and just change product name and id, and price also let's say 1000. So now let me show you difference between computed and methods. So here let's create one more method here, calculate price, and inside that this same whichever we have code in total price, I'm just copying it here to get the same result, and but how it's differentiated that I'll show you. So now return from function also, and now let's call this function below total price only. So now let's check once in browser. You can see both are having same result. Let me just add a console once in computed also and in calculate price also. So let's write console.log computed, and here in calculate price let's say console.log methods. So now let's check in browser. On refresh you can see computed and method both are executed. If I'm changing price, then you can see computed and methods both are changing because
on total price change, that is re-rendering, so function is also executing again, so it's 200, both 200. But if I'll change in product name, then you can see only method is executing, not computed, because computed is dependent on price and price is not changed here. It's just that name is changing, but function will be called every time, because function doesn't know that on which to depend, but computed has a dependent property here, that is price. So if I'll change anything in price, let me show you again. If anything, let's say 100, then computed will again execute. If anything change in price is happening, then computed will execute, otherwise not, but function every time it's calling. And second difference between computed and method is that computed keep cache, it maintains cache of a particular variable, but method will be executed every time it has no cache. So that's how you can include computed into your projects. It depends on your requirement how you are using it. So that's all in this video. I've shown you how to use computed in your project. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. If you have doubt related to this topic, then comment down in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.